Hello friends, this is Ganesh. Please watch my previous videos. Link has been provided in the description. In this video, we are going to see Spark installation. First, we need to download and extract the Spark tar from the mirror location. We will first switch to the regular directory where we keep our tar files. Then we download tar file using wget. After download, we use the tar-xvz xzvf command to extract the tar. Then we create a symbolic link using the ln-s command. After extraction, we need to set Spark environment variables like Spark home, PySpark underscore Python, PySpark underscore driver underscore Python. Then we need to source the bash.rc file. For connecting Hive and Spark, we need to copy the hive-site.xml from Hive directory to Spark config directory. The same way, we need to copy core-site.xml to Spark config directory. Now we could start the Spark or PySpark shell. To start Spark shell, we need to enter the command spark-shell. To start PySpark shell, we need to enter PySpark. This is the Spark shell screenshot. Once we execute Spark shell, we will get the Scala shell. If we execute PySpark, we will get the PySpark shell. As it is mentioned, it will be having the Python version 3.6.9. We could start Spark cluster in standalone mode. To do that, we need to use the command start-master.sh. Once we start the master, we could find the master UI using the URL localhost 8080. This is the Spark master web UI. We need to start slave using the start-slave.sh along with the Spark master URL. To quit Spark shell, we need to use command :q, and to quit PySpark shell, we need to use exit semicolon. That's all for the video. Please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a good day.